So totally, doctor told me that now you are in 4th stage, you have very less time. Then I told doctor what to do, and he said, okay, we can start the chemo. Then I gone to the best hospital, Baswatarakam, and started the chemo. After 9 chemos, doctor told me that the 9th February 2018, that your body is not supporting, all the parameters are going downside only. RBC, WBC, bilirubins, platelet counts, all are come down. Then he told me that your life is only for the 2 months. So you can do your formalities. They called my family members and they told that you please complete your formalities and you can enjoy your life for the 2 months only. Then one of my relatives, Mr. Satyarajan, Dr. Pawan, I introduced with them and they suggested me to buy a Kangen water machine. Then actually I am an industrialist. I don't accept very early. Even though I am in that stage, I never buy. Then Satyarajan gave his machine to me for using the 1 month water. I start drinking water. Then I found everybody in the whole world, they says you maintain your alkaline level in the body. Then I tried to learn from the net and everywhere, all the aspects, that what is my pH level. My pH level is 6.5 only. Because I spend a lot of amount for the investigations. So 6.5 my pH level. I want to increase my pH level. Then everybody, whether allopathic or homeopathic, Ayurvedic, they says you take the antioxidant, increase your pH level. But I found only this machine which give me alkaline water with the antioxidant, with the microclusterings, and since 1 year I am using this machine. After 9 chemos, when I showed my reports to doctor, after using this, all the reports coming as a healthy person's reports.
Wow, great.
Then again I told, this is the report only. These are reports only. This is the only our pathological report only. Then how I will believe that my cancer is gone or not gone? Then again gone for the scanning and all. Slowly by using this water. Now almost 90-95% my cancer is, I am come out of that problem, and because of the Kangen give me a life. Change your water, change your life.
Wow.
So I also became a distributor and I also sold about 10 machines approximately. In future I hope, I am an industrialist, but I leave that job, thinking to leave that job, and just I want to dedicate for the Kangen only.
Wow, great.
Because Kangen is giving me life, and no one can believe that 4th stage persons can have that much of good health because of taking only water. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. So ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, ఇంతకన్నా బెస్ట్ బిజినెస్ ఏమైనా ఉందా? ఇంతకన్నా ఎథికల్ బిజినెస్ ఏమైనా ఉందా మనకు?